Today we're going to be drawing a Pikachu wearing a Mario hat. So we want to first start out with 2 circles, pretty much right in the center of our paper. And you don't want those circles to be much larger than a quarter. Next, we're going to take those same circles and we're going to draw a little circle inside of it. And we're going to kind of start along the same line as our previous circle. So you see how it connects. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and color in the eye here. And this is why we left those little circles, or why we drew those little circles, so that way we can color in the eyes and leave this little highlight. It just makes it look like cute, adorable little eyes. Next, we're going to draw Pikachu's nose. So to do this, we're going to kind of draw a round triangle. And I'm putting mine a little closer to the left eye because Pikachu is going to kind of be looking off to the left. Now we can go ahead and draw Pikachu's mouth. We're going to do one little curved line like this, and then another one that's slightly longer because it will help us create that perspective that Pikachu is looking off to the left. And now we're going to go ahead and draw Pikachu's ear. So we're going to start a little bit above the eye, kind of at this angle right over here. And we want to make a very slightly curved line. Kind of follow that same path and then bring it to the point on the other side. And then Pikachu has these little black markings on the top of his ear. So we can make a line right here, and then we'll go ahead and color this in. So now we have one of Pikachu's ears done. Next, we're going to start to draw his head. So we're going to kind of follow the eye right here. And then right once we get below the eye, we're going to jump it out and kind of curve it around like this. Next, we're going to start to draw the Mario hat that our Pikachu is going to be wearing. So we want to go ahead and start right over here. We're going to kind of start slightly past where we drew our Pikachu's head. And we're going to make a curved line and then swing it back up and try to pay attention to the gap that we have between the line we just drew and Pikachu's ear. Then we're going to come out from Pikachu's head and we're going to swoop it around. And then we're going to make this big arc, and it's going to connect all the way down to Pikachu's ear. So now we got to draw the top of the hat. So we're going to start right about here and just kind of make a straight line that goes up. And then from there, we're going to make a big arc. So it's going to come all the way up here. And then we're going to kind of loop it right about there. So that way we can kind of create this little fold in the Mario hat. Then you just do another arc connecting to the ear. Now that we have the hat in, let's go ahead and draw Pikachu's other ear. To do that, we'll come out from the bill, slightly curved line, and then connect another line back to the top of the hat. Again, let's go ahead and draw the little black tips of Pikachu's ears by putting a line there, and then we can go ahead and color that in. Now we can get the M, for Mario on the hat. We're going to come out from the bill, and we're going to do this big arc, kind of like we're drawing a circle, and it's going to connect back to the bill. We have a lot of lines to do for this next part for the Mario. First, we can just do a slanted line that goes up and then kind of just has a little dash. We'll bring it down, bring it back up with another little dash, and then we're going to bring it back down again at an angle. Now we can go ahead and start from the bottom here, do a little dash. And now you're kind of just following the lines that you already made for the top of the M. So bring it up, and now I can bring it back down, and I'll connect these two with a little dash. Let's go ahead and get one of Pikachu's cheeks in here. His big red circles that he has on his cheek. We'll kind of do a little half circle like this. From the bottom of the cheek, we're going to start Pikachu's arm. We'll come out right here, once again with like kind of this little curved line, just a slightly curved line. We'll make a couple zigzags for his fingers. Just about 3 of them. And then we can come up from here and we'll do another slightly curved line and connect it down to his fingers. We can also put in the other arm right now. So I'm kind of making sure that it's right below the eye. If you look at the top of Pikachu's right eye, I'm kind of making sure that it's lined up with that. We're going to do these 2 slightly curved lines. And then once again, we'll put in about 3 zigzags for Pikachu's fingers. This Pikachu is sitting, so we're going to go ahead and make this little arc that comes out for Pikachu's leg. So we'll bring it right out from the bottom of the arm right there. And then we're going to draw this little loop, and this will be Pikachu's foot. So we're going to come up, we're going to do a full loop around, and we want to make sure that we don't close this. So it's kind of like a really long oval, and we want to keep it open. We don't want to keep it closed. You can put some lines in there if you'd like for the toes. Now we're going to draw the next foot before we actually connect the 2. And again, I'm kind of making sure that I'm lining up my foot with Pikachu's arm. So I'm looking at his arm to make sure I get the right placement. We're going to do this long oval again. We can put some lines in for the toes. And now we can go ahead and connect these 2. So we'll start from the bottom of the left foot. And we're going to kind of do this wavy shape. We're going to kind of curve it up, and then it swings back down and connects to the other foot. Now on the other side, to kind of show that Pikachu's leg is sticking out, we're going to go from the bottom of his right arm, and we're just going to do a little arc right here. And that's going to kind of represent his leg, maybe his knee kind of being propped up. So now to get the back of Pikachu, we are going to start from the ear. But before I do that, I'm actually going to take these ears in just slightly. Don't worry, you don't have to do that. I just think it looks better if his ear is kind of continuing in front of his body. So now we're going to do this big, long arc all the way down, and we're going to connect it to the bottom of Pikachu's foot. We can also finish up the back of Mario's hat here. Imagine that the line where it connects to the ear continues, and then we're just going to loop it back to the body, so it will come out from the ear and then into the body. So now it looks like the back of the Mario hat. One of my favorite parts is always to draw Pikachu's tail. First, you just kind of start with a sideways V. You come out from the body, and then you bring it back to the body like this. From here, we're going to do another very slightly curved line. You can pretty much make it straight, to be honest. We'll go up towards the ear. And then again, we're going to do another diagonal line here coming out. This will be the longest line of the tail, because we know that Pikachu's tail gets wider as it goes on. Then we're going to pretty much follow these same exact lines that we just created. So we'll come out, we'll go up. Again, we'll make another diagonal here. We'll go back up. I'm going to extend this one just a little bit more. And then I'm going to make this parallel line to the top. So it kind of follows. I'm constantly looking at the top line that I drew of Pikachu's tail. Then I just bring it down like this to connect the 2. And then one thing that we have not put in yet is the right cheek on our Pikachu. So we're going to draw a circle. I'm looking at the circle on the left to make sure that I draw it about the same size. And it's going to go right underneath his right eye, just like this. Before I got to coloring, I did add a little line to the bottom of Pikachu's tail, because he has 2 different colors for his tail. And then I also decided to give him an open mouth. Now I'm just going through and I'm bolding all of the outside lines. I think it just makes the drawing look a little bit better. And then we'll just go ahead and color it in. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.